Wow. Guys, look at these, man. So what do you call the name again?
It's a 36 Plymouth Coupe.
Oh, wow. You can see this car, man. God damn. So do you drive it?
Yeah. I just got it all rebuilt.
All rebuilt, okay.
Yeah. I'll start it up for you.
Guys, look at these, man.
I did all the inside, put the floors, all that good stuff in there.
Ah. Woo, boy! Look at this engine, guys. Guys, look at these, man. Look at these guys. Woo, boy! Man.
She's gonna be fun.
Oh, she is, man. Hey, look at the engine, guys, man. Woo, boy.
Yeah, it's got 0 miles on it.
0 mileage on it?
Yeah.
Are you the first owner?
No. I mean, everything is new from the rear end to the motor.
Oh, okay.
So, a completely rebuilt motor.
Rebuild, okay.
It's a stroke 440.
So when you gonna start driving it? I mean,
I'm gonna take it out tomorrow.
tomorrow, you just,
We got
man.
Hot Rod Nationals next week.
People gonna be looking at you.
So
man.
it'll be there at Hot Rod Nationals.
Yeah, gonna be a lot of women looking at you, man. You got a nice drive out here, man.
I'll tell you what. And then I named it a sick 36. So they say when it's sick, it's supposed to be, it's a new word, it's supposed to be bad.
So if you wanna buy this way, how much does it cost?
This right here is about 40,000.
Damn.
But you can't find them.
You can't find it, yeah.
No, you can find Chevys,
Chevys, yeah.
Fords. You can't find the Plymouths.
Oh wow.
And then if you do find a Plymouth, they put a Chevy 350 motor in it.
Oh money. Oh wow. This is nice. I swear to God,
And this
man.
is my fuel cell back here.
Oh okay.
You got 22 gallon fuel cell in there.
Wow. This is nice, man.
Feel
Man.
how heavy this is.
I mean, most of the time. Wow.
It's all original.
Oh, original, yeah. This is original body, man.
Yeah. The only thing that's fiberglass is the headlight housings.
That's it?
Yep, that's
Wow.
it. Now,
Wow.
I think I still got that wide up there. Let's see if I got my headlights wide up here.
So are you a mechanic or what?
Yeah, I got them shut off. I got red. It lights up red all
Red.
around.
Oh wow. You gonna be a lot of.
Yeah, I did all of it except for rebuilding the motor.
That's it.
I took it
Wow.
to a buddy of mine and he rebuilt it.
So does he have a hood or?
I'm not gonna put a hood on it. It has one.
Well, this how you
I
go.
did all that to the motor. I want to show it.
Oh, you just want to show it off, yeah. This is a really nice ride, man. I swear to
Oh,
God,
thank you.
man.
And the windshield, it rolls out.
It rolls out. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it comes up like this.
So you can actually see. Man, this is nice.
That was
man.
the air conditioning back then.
Yeah. So look at the interior, man, guys. Oh my God. I